If you're new here, I'm Monica. I'm 34, living in DC with my two dogs, Remy and Ralph. Come spend the day with me. It had been raining when I let the dogs out, and of course, when we came back in, they sprinted onto my bed, so gotta do the sheets. I absolutely love the Laundress products, and they just came out a few months ago with the Beauty Sleep, which is what I've been using for my bed sheets. Before that, I used the Dead Cool Taunt, which is what I use for the linens on my couch. It's the same scent as the fragrance I use for the dogs. I took Friday off and today for a nice little early December 4-day weekend where I just get to like have me day. What I didn't expect was it to be raining today, but at least it's not cold, and I think it's supposed to stop this afternoon because I do want to take the dogs on like a good long walk. Today is like content creation priority day. The main things I need to do. I have been wanting to start a Substack all year. It's now December. Today's the day. Get this YouTube channel up and running. So this is for that. I had one more thing. Oh, I need to finish my Christmas shopping. That can be done today. Oh, and I wanted to do a unwrapped 2024 fashion unwrapped, and then maybe one for like 2024 dating unwrapped, like for funsies. And then side note, for pajamas, I almost exclusively wear Lunya pajamas. Remember when people were talking about the washable silk pajamas like 4 years ago and you never knew who actually was buying them? It was me. I've stocked up because they're my absolute favorite pajamas. They're so comfortable. They're made so well. So there's like all these details about them, like here, so like the straps don't slip off in your sleep. Shorts have kind of like this like rubbery thing so they don't like slide around. I'm obsessed. I think it's a great Christmas gift to ask for. It's like one of those little everyday luxury. And the other thing, like when they first came out, they would never go on sale. Now you can always find something on sale. I think you can get a set. It might not be the color you want, but it'll be like $117. Things also got interesting this morning because when I went to go take the dogs out, I don't know what happened, but at the park all of a sudden I realized that Remy's leash came off her collar, and she has lost her privileges of going off leash because she tries to get like under the fence and all of that, and I was not about to mess with that this morning. And I literally, it was like dogma instincts. The second that I realized she was off leash, she realized she was off leash, and like it was like a millisecond of she was about to move, and I just like grabbed her collar as fast as I could, and in the process my nail banged against my phone that I was holding, and like the chain metal part of her collar, and that's in pain. And then of course when we came inside, since it was raining, they total zoomied around the house, and I washed my sheets on yesterday, and of course they sprinted to the bed and got mud all over the white sheets, so we'll now be doing laundry again. Thanks, Ruru. I don't know if this is gonna be my outfit of the day, but I want to try on my new Everlane sweater, so I just wanted to put like a basic on. Underneath these basics, I always wear cakes and not a bra because when it comes to layering, I hate having so many layers on. I start to get claustrophobic, and so the no bra situation definitely helps. This is one of two sweaters that I got from Everlane from Black Friday. This is more like a little wrap, drop the belt situation. So far, I'm impressed with Everlane. I love the sweater I wore yesterday with it. Okay, this is interesting. It's kind of tight right here. I think I sized up on it. I need to check. Why is it so tight at the arms? Okay, that's better. It's cute. I like this. It's cute. I wanted it to be a little longer, but my vision for it is really to like wear it with black jeans, like knee-high lug boots, as like a cozy walk the dogs outfit. But I honestly might wear this today. It's a vibe. Pro tip, if you don't want to worry about losing the belt, or if you want to be able to like have the option. So like this doesn't have belt loopholes. That's the context here. If it doesn't have that, you can use the little stitchy and create little micro stitch situation. Let me take the cap off. I'm just gonna choose a random spot for the sake of the example. But like I even use this on my Burberry coat, and it leaves no mark. I hurt my finger this morning, which is why I'm struggling as much as I can. But yeah, see? I know you won't lose the belt. I'm finally sitting down and uploading my YouTube video. Finally. The done is better than perfect situation. It's about Rothy's boots that I actually find
It really was a slow start to my day, and I didn't get my desk until a little bit later than I thought, but I finally got
also,
there.
you'll notice I'm still in the wrap sweater. It's so comfortable. It was really tight right here at first, but then I don't know. I guess it's stretched out. I do my mood board Mondays. So on Mondays on Instagram, I always post some mood board inspiration. I'm thinking I'm gonna do bootcut jeans today because I did a video of me trying on petite friendly bootcut jeans, and so many people had thoughts on recommendations that I should try next. So I think my mood board is just gonna be like the recommendations that people have. So I need to write that down because I'm an out of sight, out of mind person. Everything has to be written down. I just honestly realized my friend was hosting a cookie exchange and I didn't write it down, and I feel terrible that I missed it. So this is what I use for social media stuff, and then this is like my life.
Once I got a few things done, I noticed that it was finally sunny out, and I did not want to miss out on this opportunity to go take the dogs on a long walk. We usually go on 2 45-minute walks a day if it's nice out, and we love doing a little lap around the Capitol, and of course I had to stop for a cappuccino over at Compass. We enjoyed being out and about. It was time to go home, do some laundry, feed the dogs because it also got dark around this time, and then I was ready to make my own dinner. Tonight I was making leftovers from the grilled cheese pasta that I made. It's one of Kit Keenan's recipes. She has a bunch of pasta recipes. I'm absolutely obsessed with her pot pie pasta. You absolutely have to try it. Sat down and watched a show on Hulu. I'm watching Find Me in Paris, and I literally cannot stop watching it. It's not Emily in Paris. It's something from like 2018. It's so good. And then had a little yogurt for dessert, and it was time to call it.